Adverbs of frequency. Always. I always brush my teeth. I always brush my teeth. Never. He never eats fish. He never eats fish. Often. We often go to the park. We often go to the park. Usually. She's usually on time. She's usually on time. Rarely. They rarely watch TV. They rarely watch TV. Sometimes. I sometimes read at night. I sometimes read at night. Frequently. He frequently visits his grandmother. He frequently visits his grandmother. Occasionally. We occasionally eat out. We occasionally eat out. Seldom. She seldom drinks coffee. She seldom drinks coffee. Adverbs of manner. Beautifully. She sings beautifully. She sings beautifully. Quickly. He runs quickly. He runs quickly. Hard. They worked hard. They worked hard. Peacefully. The baby slept peacefully. The baby slept peacefully. Loudly. He speaks loudly. He speaks loudly. Happily. She smiled happily. She smiled happily. Carefully. He drives carefully. He drives carefully. Gracefully. She danced gracefully. She danced gracefully. Angrily. The dog barked angrily. The dog barked angrily. Adverbs of time. Tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. Yesterday. She came yesterday. She came yesterday. Late. We eat dinner late. We eat dinner late. Early. He left early. He left early. Now. I am going there now. I am going there now. Recently. He arrived recently. He arrived recently. Soon. They will leave soon. They will leave soon. Often. She travels often. She travels often. Before. I saw him before. I saw him before. Adverbs of degree. Very. I am very tired. I am very tired. Too. She is too busy. She is too busy. Quite. He is quite funny. He is quite funny. Really. The test was really hard. The test was really hard. Almost. I am almost done. I am almost done. Just. It is just right. It is just right. So. He is so kind. He is so kind. Completely. She was completely surprised. She was completely surprised. Fairly. The room is fairly big. The room is fairly big. Adverbs of place. Up. He looked up. He looked up. Outside. She went outside. She went outside. Here. They are playing here. They are playing here. There. I will wait there. I will wait there. Downstairs. The kids ran downstairs. The kids ran downstairs. Somewhere. The book is somewhere on the table. The book is somewhere on the table. Everywhere. We searched everywhere. We searched everywhere. Abroad. She is staying abroad. She is staying abroad. Backwards. He fell backwards. He fell backwards. More beginner adverb sentences. Clearly. She speaks clearly. She speaks clearly. Early. I ate lunch early. I ate lunch early. Slowly. He works slowly. He works slowly. Always. The teacher is always kind. The teacher is always kind. Angrily. They shouted angrily. They shouted angrily. Daily. I go to school daily. I go to school daily. Quickly. We finished the project quickly. We finished the project quickly. Never. I never lie. I never lie. Loudly. The baby cried loudly. The baby cried loudly. Neatly. She cleaned a room neatly. She cleaned a room neatly. Soon. I will call you soon. I will call you soon. Late. They arrived late. They arrived late. Outside. We played outside. We played outside. 2. He eats too much candy. He eats too much candy. Very. She reads very fast. She reads very fast. Usually. I usually wake up at 7. I usually wake up at 7. Carelessly. He drove carelessly. He drove carelessly. He drove carelessly. Sometimes. We sometimes go hiking. We sometimes go hiking. Completely. I am completely full. I am completely full. Quietly. She walked quietly into the room. She walked quietly into the room. Always. He always smiles at people. He always smiles at people. Hardly. We hardly ever go out. We hardly ever go out. Outside. The dog is outside barking. The dog is outside barking. Later. I will do it later. I will do it later. High. He jumped high. He jumped high. Fast. She runs fast. She runs fast. Slowly. They moved slowly through the crowd. They moved slowly through the crowd. Well. I sleep well. I sleep well. Beautifully. She dances beautifully. She dances beautifully. Sometimes. He sometimes cooks dinner. He sometimes cooks dinner. Quickly. They walk quickly. They walk quickly. Early. I wake up early. I wake up early. Softly. He talks softly. He talks softly. Quickly. She types quickly. She types quickly. Loudly. They laugh loudly. They laugh loudly. Badly. He sings badly. He sings badly. Neatly. She wrote the essay neatly. She wrote the essay neatly. Slowly. The sun rose slowly. The sun rose slowly. Late. He is never late. He is never late. Already. I finished it already. I finished it already. Recently. We met recently. We met recently. Rarely. She rarely gets sick. She rarely gets sick. Everywhere. The children ran everywhere. The children ran everywhere. Really. I am really happy. I am really happy. Nearby. He lives nearby. He lives nearby.